Hi, my name's Andrew Bennett. I'm an advisor with the Kootenay and Boundary Farm Advisors, and tonight we're pleased to present for you a webinar on agricultural drones and what kind of possibilities they hold for farms in our region. We'll be starting off with a couple of farms that have found their management has really been improved by a relatively small investment in drones and drone services. I'll follow that up with a presentation on some of the least expensive drone options that I've been able to find to get a decent map of your farm, and how to access free satellite imagery that you can use to map out your crop's health and productivity. Then we'll move to the stars of the show, Jon Church and Chris Noske, both of whom are on the cutting edge of drone technology and its application to farms. Starting us off tonight is Devin Chursinoff of Pavan Ranch to tell us how high-resolution maps made by drones at different times of year really helped him understand a number of management issues he was facing and to hone his management practices and strategies. Together with his wife and in-laws, Devin runs this multi-generational ranch that supports more than 300 head of cattle on 860 acres of hay, forage, silage, and grazing, in addition to many thousands of acres in Crown Range. The maps were made by Jon Wilson of 4 Elements Emergency Consulting in Grand Forks. Jon uses drones regularly in his work and wanted to try mapping a ranch. He came by Pavan 4 times last year to show the changing of the seasons on 200 acres. Next up, Tony Jeske will give us a slideshow as he tells us about the 2 drones he has used on his ranch to help identify management problems and to keep a photographic record of changes over the years. Tony and his parents own and operate Black Diamond Ranch, 300 acres of hay and forage winding along the west bank of the Kettle River in the Christian Valley. They've got a lot going on, from beef and sheep to poultry and garlic, all inside a complex patchwork of fields that they graze and irrigate and manage for floods. You'll definitely want to hear what Dr. Jon Church has to say about using drones on ranches. From tagging and tracing livestock to detailed mapping and weed management and many other applications besides. Dr. Church sees drones as a tool that can really help ranches save costs and produce happier and healthier livestock. An associate professor at Thomson Rivers University, Jon Church has been able to dive into a wide range of fascinating, cutting-edge research. He's a cattle research chair, has a wealth of knowledge in beef cattle welfare, range management, and greenhouse gas emissions. But tonight, our main focus will be on his many innovations in sustainability, including the use of drones. Chris Noske is a horticulturalist and entrepreneur, and he's going to tell us about how his experience with drones has completely convinced him that drones can save farms a pile of money in pesticides and fertilizers. He uses precision application by huge 7-foot wingspan drones that require so much less chemical that they can pay themselves off in a single season. Chris is also the president of ProAg, a company he established to produce custom nanotechnology fertilizers and surfactants that can cut down on chemical use to a fraction of the usual amounts. Between nanotechnology and drones, Chris hopes innovative farms will see lower costs and bigger profits. The Kootenay and Boundary Farm Advisors is an agricultural extension that is funded by 3 regional districts of Kootenay Boundary, Central Kootenay, and the East Kootenay, in addition to the Columbia Basin Trust. Our purpose is to offer technical support to farms. So please be in touch. We're a free service and we're always looking for new ideas for ways that we can help farms out.